Want a timeless backsplash without all the messy grout and mortar? Let me show you how. Let's install vertical shiplap. Start by removing all of your outlet covers. Next, cut a piece of shiplap down to size and make sure it's super level on your wall. Use a nail gun to attach your boards to the wall. If you're not hitting a stud, make sure to shoot your nails in an X pattern for extra hold. Continue adding your boards until you hit a countertop or an outlet. Here's the trick that I use to make accurate cuts. Use a scrap piece of shiplap so that you can mark exactly where the depth you need to cut is. Then hold up the piece that will be going in this area onto the wall, make sure it's level, and then mark exactly where that cut needs to be made. Next, you're going to use a jigsaw to cut out your notch. Remember, it's always better to come back and notch out a little bit more than to have too big of a gap. Once all of your shiplap boards are installed, fill the nail holes with putty. Then, go ahead and caulk the seams using the baby wipe method. You can paint your shiplap a fun color or match it to your cabinets like we did. Follow Southern Yankee DIY for more easy home improvement projects.